Watercress, a plant that is pronounced to be the best in the world. In brief moments, a written explanation. This incredible plant contains iron more than spinach and vitamin C more than lemon and orange. It originates from Eurasia, but today can be found all around the world. It has been used long time ago by the Greek father of medicine Hippocrates, who recommended it for sore throat, lung diseases, toothache, etc. People from ancient Egypt, Greece and Rome used it for recovering energy. It is very good antioxidant and regulates all metabolism disruptions, also reducing stress. Other benefits of its consumption are blood purifying, refreshing, toxemia, good with skin diseases, hair decadence, speckles caused by the sun, tag, breast and other types of cancer through watercress essence directly infiltrated on the spot. Smoking prevents the harmful consequences, fungal skin impurity. It is recommended that you take it as salad and as a fresh juice, not constantly, but periodically with pauses. The juice should be 1:5 ratio, 1/5 watercress juice and 4/5 water, since undiluted juice can cause liver inflammation or kidney irritation. If you have problems with your skin or hair decadence, you should put a tissue soaked in the mixture on that place. You'll need to crush couple of leaves so that you get mashed mixture and apply on the place before you disinfect it with alcohol. Keep the tissue from 2 to 4 hours, wash it afterwards and apply oil. Keep the leaves well washed in a salty water and vinegar. Re-washed can be used as a salad. You can add garlic, olive plus oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper and onion. Let it stay for 3 hours and then it is ready to eat. Enjoy! If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.